Hi there, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create the assistants. Okay, in the last video, we have discussed how we can add API keys, and this is the time to discuss how we can create the assistants. So that is also mentioned in our setup guide. If I go there, you can see the first step is to add API keys that we discussed in the last video, and now this is time to create your first assistant. Okay, so to create our first assistant, I will move to our assistant page. Okay, now you can see I already created these three assistants. This is YouTube assistant, this is Gmail, and this is Amazon. Okay, so now we will discuss each of them one by one. So first of all, let me show you how to create assistant. To create assistant, I already taken some ideas from the cloud. So if I go to the cloud and if I open this, you can see there are multiple ideas that I just taken from the cloud. Okay, so you can see this is Gmail professional assistant. It written for me the name, the welcome message, the system prompt, and the prompt. Okay, so you will obviously tell the cloud or ChatGPT that what your assistant should do, and you can write all of the details for our assistant writer. So to create assistant, I just click on create assistant. I will name it. Okay, I will describe it for my own words. Like if I want to use YouTube assistant, I will write YouTube assistant. Okay, you can write anything here, and you can select the chat model, you can set the temperature, you can set the system prompt, welcome message, and quick actions. And then you can also add knowledge base if this is needed, otherwise you can leave it empty. Okay, you can also enable web search if this is needed. If your assistant needs to do some web search, like if you want to get some BTC rates or some weather information, you can also enable that. Otherwise you can just leave it out. So this is how you can create the assistant. You can also choose specific color. So let me show you how I created my YouTube assistant. Okay, so if I click on edit, you can see there the first information I will show you is the assistant name. I just type assistant name, assistant description. This assistant can help us to analyze any YouTube video. I selected model, temperature, and this is the system prompt. Here what you need to understand, this is the system prompt. This can be used along with any of the quick action that you will select. So if you select this quick action from the front end, it means this system prompt and this quick action prompt will be sent to an AI. Okay, if you select this specific quick action, it means this specific prompt along with this system prompt will be sent to an AI like this. Okay, so if you doesn't select any type of quick action on the front end, I will show you, don't worry. Okay, so if you don't select any quick action, the only main prompt, the main system prompt will be sent to an AI. Okay, so for each quick action, let me show you what is the main prompt for each quick action. So keyword frequency analyzer. So if I show you this, okay, I just taken each of the sub action prompt here, and now I will explain you. So this keyword frequency analyzer means that you need to analyze the video description and provide us keyword used with their frequency count. Okay, SEO tag generator means generate optimal tags for my video about ask topic based on the similar video analysis. Okay, so comment sentiment mining prompt is analyze top 100 comments for their pain points. Comments language detection prompt is detect the different language that are used in comment and tell in percentage. So these are the prompts that are used along with each sub action. Okay, so you have to at least add one quick action, and you can add as many quick actions as you want. Okay, so I just have 4, and each quick action has their own prompts. Now I have system prompt as well, and I have different quick actions and their prompts as well. If I want to add more quick action, you can type the action name and the prompt template. Okay, so I will just delete it and I will save my assistant there. Okay, so this is how YouTube assistant works. Now this is time to test this assistant. So to test this assistant, I will just open the youtube.com and now I will test it. So I just open youtube.com and now this is time to test the assistant. So I will just open the sidebar and now we can just test our assistant. Okay, so finally our sidebar is ready, and now I can just click on our YouTube assistant like this, and I have different quick actions there. You can see it. These are 4 quick actions. I will just click on the first one, keyword frequency analyzer, and you can see the prompt there. Analyze the video description and provide us the keywords used in the frequency count. I will just click on send button, and now let's wait for it. There you go. You can see full highlight word is mentioned 4 times. This word has mentioned 3 times. This word is mentioned 3 times. And this one is also 3 times, and this one 2 times, and so on. These keywords are relevant to the content of video which focus on cricket match and highlights. So this means our assistant has full access to this video and we can ask anything about it. Okay, so the next one is SEO tag generator, and we can click on it, and now it will create different types of SEO tags that we can optimize in our video as well. So now let's wait for the result, and there you go. Okay, now you can see different keywords and SEO tags are there that we can use to analyze, and we can also use in our video as well. So the next one is comment sentiment mining. So if we click on this, now we can analyze top 100 comments, and we can analyze their pain points as well. So I will just click on send button, and now let's wait for the result. There you go. So this is saying based on analysis of top 100 comments on the video, this is appreciation of Zimbabwe performance, sympathy for Sri Lanka, recognition of individual players, underrated team Zimbabwe, and positive sentiment towards future matches. So overall the comments reflect a positive reception towards Zimbabwe cricket team and hopeful outlook on their future. So we can also ask anything, which team has won the match. So right now we are not selecting any type of quick action because we are just asking a simple question. So right now it will only send our main prompt instead of this quick action prompt. So let's wait for the result. There you go. We have no need to watch the complete match. In this match, the Zimbabwe team emerged as a winner. And these comments repeatedly highlight Zimbabwe's impressive performance and mention that Sri Lanka had bad luck in this match. So that is it. So the only thing you need to have in your mind, you just need to load the comments. If the comments are not loaded, this would not work. Okay, so you just need to load the comments and you can ask anything about it. Okay, now the last sub action that we have created in our assistant that can be used to detect the different language that are used in the comments and tell in percentage. You know very well, some people type in India, some people type in Hindi, Urdu, English, Punjabi, or any other language. It can be English United Kingdom tone or any tone. So we just need to ask it. Okay, so we just need to ask how many are Spanish people, how many are United Kingdom, how from United States of America, and how many are from Pakistan and India. So we will just type it, and now let's wait for the result. Actually, this was asking us to install some libraries because it cannot tell us in percentage. So that's why I again asked, can you tell us the language of comments used? So now it's asking that this is mix of languages, primarily English, and also include phrases or sentences in Urdu. You can also read it here. Okay, you can read the comments and you can confirm it. So this is how this YouTube assistant works. And I already explained you everything how you can create this assistant. Now let's move forward and let's test other assistants as well. Before we move forward, I can explain you another feature that you can do as well. So if something doesn't work for you in sidebar, you have also option to do processing on the text as well. So I just loaded the description of the video. I can select the description of the video and I have access to my assistants as well. Okay, I can select the YouTube assistant and I will click on keyword frequency analyzer and it will just generate keyword frequency there. I can also click on SEO tag generator to generate the tags, and other sub actions I can click as well. If you just want to analyze the YouTube video, you can just click on this card instead of these quick action. So if we click on this, it will just analyze it and it will tell us how it works. So I hope you can understand this, and now you can easily process anything there. And now let's move forward to the next assistant. So now it's time to test this Amazon shopping assistant. Later on I will also explain to you how we can test this Gmail one as well. So first of all, let's test this one, and if I open this, you can see the system prompt here. Okay, product analysis, you help us in this, and everything is there. You can read it. Okay, you can pause the video and you can read it. Then you can see review analyzer, analyze the customer reviews visible on the page and provide us everything. If I show you, you can see it. Okay, You can read it, you can pause the video, and you can read the prompt. This is a product comparison, and you can read the product comparison prompt as well. You can read, and you can also generate similar prompts with the help of ChatGPT and Cloud AI. That is not too much difficult. You just need to clear your idea, and you need to type the prompt in very clear words. Okay, the last one is specific extraction, and this is a specific extraction prompt as well. Okay, so this is how I just mentioned everything in their sub actions, and now I can add one more quick action if needed, but I don't need anything else. I have 3 quick actions, and I have main system prompt that you can read here, and now I can just update assistant, and now I will test it on amazon.com. I have loaded the amazon.com, and now this is time to test it. Okay, so to test it, I will just select my Amazon shopping assistant, and I will first of all analyze the review. So let's open any random product, like I will open this, and now let's analyze the product reviews there. So whenever you will load the page, you need to make sure that you load the reviews page or review section as well. So I will load it. Okay, you can also click on see more reviews, but for now this is enough because these are the most commonly recent reviews that are posted on this project, or I'm sorry, on this product. Okay, so now I will click on review analyzer. It will analyze this review, and it will tell us the main pain point or the main issues with this product. Okay, so now let's wait for it. There you go. Okay, so I have sent this message by our quick action, and now you can see overall sentiment is mixed. Top 3 pros are these, and top 3 cons are these. Okay, so these are the issues with product, and these are the benefits of the product. And now you can see also common issue and patterns in negative reviews. You can red flags, you can see red flags to watch out for. Okay, and who this product is best suited for. That is also suggestions by our assistant. Now we will also compare different types of product here. So you can see there are different types of products. So I want to compare it. Better to load different page. Okay, so now let me load another page, and let's test this. So I just searched for coffee machines here, and now I will click on product comparison, and I will send it. Okay, so this is compare the product visible on this page and create a clear comparison including key specification and blah blah. Okay, now let's wait for it, and let me show you the result as well. There you go. This is very fast. Okay, you can see to provide a comparison, this is the first product that it will compare with this one and this one, the key specification, the price, the feature, use cases, value for money, and everything. And at last he just recommended us the specific product for their use cases and for their benefits. Okay, so this is how this assistant works. So the final thing is use specific extractor. So let me show you the prompt how it look like. So first of all, let me show you the prompt. Extract all important product specification detail from this page. So obviously we need to open specific page, like we can maybe open this product, and now we will test it. Okay, so now it's opening, and we will just load its specific key features, and we will send our specific extractor prompt. We will click on this, and we will send it. So now what it will do, it will basically extract all of the page, and it will analyze everything, and it will provide us in the formatted way. Okay, you can see it's analyzing, and now let's wait for it. There you go. So this is product name, this is the key feature, this is dimensions, and this is compatibility information, this is warranty, and everything is there. Okay, so this was our second assistant, and now this is time to test out the third assistant, that is called Gmail Professional Assistant. Okay, now let's move to the Gmail and let's test it there. As you know, this is my another browser, so I have logged in my email on another browser. So I just installed the extension again, and now I will import this assistant there. I will just click on export button. It will download the JSON file, and now in my another Chrome browser I will just import that assistant. I will click on import, and I will go to downloads, and I will just choose Gmail Professional Assistant. That is it. Now I have everything that I need to do there. Okay, so there are obviously everything. I will obviously explain you. First let me open the Gmail. Okay, so I will just open email.com, and now let's move forward. I will just open the sidebar. I have already opened specific email thread. Okay, so I clicked on it. I have opened this, and now I can just go to Gmail Professional Assistant that I already created. And if I show you the prompt, obviously, if I go to Assistant maybe like this, and if I show you the prompt, you can see here this is the system prompt. Okay, and these are the quick actions. Each quick action has different prompts. You can of course watch it, like write a professional well structured email reply based on the user request. Okay, and this is email tone adjuster, and this is the prompt of the email tone adjuster. Okay, you can pause the video and you can copy it and you can see it. And the last one, email thread analyzer. So the email thread analyzer has this prompt. Okay, so this is the prompt of email thread analyzer. You can obviously pause the video and check all of the prompts, and you can easily generate these types of prompts and quick actions and system prompt with Cloud AI and ChatGPT. Now let's move forward. I will update assistant and I will again move to email, and now I can ask anything. I will just go to Gmail Professional Assistant. Okay, everything is already filled. I'm just missing my API key. Let me quickly add my API key there. Okay, I will just go to settings and I will use my API key. So finally I have saved my API key. I will again go there, and now I will again select on this specific professional email writer, and I will click on send it. And now let's wait for the result. There you go. So that is absolutely great. So this is the subject, dear Catherine, because Catherine was messaging me on this Gmail. I hope this message sounds very well. 5-star feedback. However, these reviews are not yet on visible responses, and everything is replied totally amazing. Okay, so I have attached screenshot that illustrate the issue I'm experiencing, which I hope will help in resolving this matter. Okay, and everything is replied totally amazing. And finally there is my Gmail as well. So this is absolutely great. Okay, now I will just click on this email tone adjuster, and now let's see what it does. Analyze the selected email text and rewrite it with better, improved tone and professionalism. Fix any grammar issues, remove. Okay, so what it did, it basically rewritten my email. Okay, I hope this message finds you well. I'm writing to express my concerns. So this is totally rewritten email because I have selected this email tone adjuster. So it means it will overwrite my existing email that I already sent him. Okay, so that's totally amazing. So the final one is email thread analyzer. So let's see. Analyze this email thread and conversation and provide summary of the discussion, key decision made, action items, and everything else. Okay, so now let's wait for the result and let's see what it does. Okay, there you go. So summary of the discussion: this contacted Chrome developer support regarding missing 5-star reviews. Developer responded that user reviews might take time to appear on the listing and dashboard. They clarified that Google doesn't verify reviews but remove those violating policies. Okay, that's perfect. Key decision: no specific decisions were made in the email thread. Therefore needs to provide email notification and item ID for further investigation by developer support. That is totally amazing. I will obviously mark it 5-star. So this is amazing assistant that you can use with Gmail, and you can automate any responses. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this, and you can create different types of assistant with this technique. Okay, so I hope you like my extension as well. So if you don't know how to install this extension, I will again explain to you. You just need to open the web store. You just need to search for reg, and there you go. You just need to you just need to install this extension, and you can click on add to Chrome, and you can follow the tutorials and features as well. So that is it. I hope you like this, and in the next video we will discover more topics. We will create reg assistant, and we will create different types of use cases and workarounds to solve our daily basis problems. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and have a good day.